Women Football Strategy. Temine ria gukuria mubira wa maguru wa airitu guku bururi-ini, Kiama kia FKF ni giukite na mubango wa gutigirira athaki airitu ni mateithika. Hamwe na mitaratara ino ni gwikirira hari mbitika cia icagi-ini undu umwe na mathako ma mbeu njithi, gwikirira ligi-ini cia airitu na uheani wa marua kuri irabu iria cirathondekwo gatagati ka mangi.
While I'm here, 23 and 27 is a span for this strategy in what we want to do. If we go to the World Cup in 23, we still want to go in 27. If we don't go in 23, then we want to go in 27. That's the timeline you're looking at.
Akiaria president wa FKF Nick Mwendwa uria uma hamwe na munyinyi wake Doris Petra maugite kiroto ni gukorwo na timu iranyita itemi thiini wa mbitika cia CAF undu umwe na kuingira mafuku-ini ma FIFA.
I can say that this is a very bold step that looks to ensure that every talent across the country is tapped. We create opportunities through the grassroots program.
I'm delighted. You know, anytime they are focusing on women football, it gives us a platform. We feel encouraged. You know, we've been playing for this league for way too much, too long. No sponsorship, but we still keep on pushing because we are seeing some hopes.
Kugi timu ya imwana citakiritie miaka 23 mubira wa maguru ni maumagarire nginyagia bururi-ini wa Ethiopia mbere ya mbitika cia CECAFA kuhurwo mwaki muthia-ini wa kiumia. Nayo Stanley Okumbi augite gutire kindu kingigiriria imwana ici ukorwo cigika wega thiini wa mbitika ici iria cikambiriria muthenya wa Jumamothi.